Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. This is one sharp truck, the ultimate mobile service truck. 2015 Ford F350 crew cab 4-wheel drive diesel with lots of goodies. Someone spent over $30,000 back here with everything you can imagine. It's got the Van Air all-in-one series power plant. It's got a 25 horse Kohler engine, fuel injected. It powers a 5,000 amp generator, an air compressor, and a 200 amp welder. Nice setup. It's got an 11-gallon fuel tank. It runs on gas. It'll run 8.5 hours at full load. It provides air at 175 psi and 24 cubic feet per minute. Plenty of air. Here you've got a 100-gallon fuel tank. It's got diesel in it with a pump, electric pump. It's got a grease gun on air, a separate reel. It's got a high definition backup camera that's on all the time, which you need since there's no back window. Got your vise. And here's where all the magic happens. There's your control panel. That's how you control everything. This is how you start it. It's only got 2.6 hours. That's your fuel gauge. That's your welder control, charger, 12 volt and 24 volt boost. It's got leads you can connect in here and charge up stuff or jump stuff. There's your regular 120 outlets. That's your welder connection. There's a line. That's your reel for your air hose. Nice heavy duty. Guess we'll crank it. Level. That's your welder, charger. Air gauge. So on. It's a little loud, so turn it off since it's loud, but pretty amazing. Lots of storage. Everything's brand new. That's where you would put your cutting torch, I believe. Got the nice running board, tinted windows, vent shade, power heated tow mirrors. Got strobe lights. I'll show you in a second. These come on, flash orange. 12,000 pound worn winch. It's never been used. Nice brush guard, bug shield. You name it, it's got it. Even the windshield is slightly tinted. It does have keyless entry. It is a one-owner, clean Carfax, non-smoker. Southern truck, no rust, no mud. Just like new. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It's got the nice, easy to clean vinyl seats and vinyl floor. And that's right, 10,800 miles. Reliable 6.7 diesel, fire stroke. Got your volume control on the steering wheel. It's got voice.
Please say a command.
It's got voice command, cruise control. That's your trip computer and all that stuff.
Next turn. Is that correct?
No, we don't want to talk anymore. It's got Bluetooth. You just got to connect your phone to Bluetooth. AM, FM, CD. He's trying to do all kind of stuff now. No phone. I know, there's no phone. Shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive. Trailer brake controller. Couple of outlets. Those are auxiliary switch, and they've actually used 2 of them. I believe number 2 is for the strobe lights, and number 3 is for the LED floodlights on each side, and they're really bright at night. I'll leave them on so we can see what it looks like. Storage, cup holders. You can raise this up for 6 people total. I've got all the books. Got some keys. Even got the original receipt showing everything that's been done to it. Like I said, it's over 30 grand extra on top of the truck. Cup holders. There's a camera. It looks really nice. Even at night, it looks good. We just had it serviced. Get your tow mode. You can upshift and downshift. There's the original factory owner's manual. Vinyl floor all across. You can raise this up for extra cargo space. Those are the spotlights. They're LEDs and they're really bright. Nice storage. Everything's lockable, and I got the keys. Marker lights are LED. How about this nice toolbox? As you can see, it's never been used. Someone had a vision, and it looks like it didn't pan out. Hopefully you can make it work. Very nice. This is where you put your diesel exhaust fluid, and that's regular diesel. More storage, and that's your controller for the winch. Again, never used. That's your DC charger. You just hook up on the other side. You can jump a battery or charge a battery. Very handy. How about this? It's got grease in it, and that's connected to the grease gun, so it's powered by the compressed air. Some straps, never been used. This little tailgate opens up, so you still got some storage, even though it's got all kind of goodies back here. It's got the towing package, so you got your light hookup. All you gotta do is slide a receiver in here. Got your nice vise. No dents, no scratch. It's got the nice simulators with the braided line. Those are all optional. I've got the owner's manual of every components back here, spec sheets, everything. So, but you'll need it since there's a lot of system back here. Got mud flaps. Nice buck shield. 7-liter power stroke diesel. Reliable, fuel efficient, and plenty of power. One awesome truck. This truck comes with the remainder of the full factory warranty from Ford. 336 bumper to bumper. 5-year 100,000 on the drivetrain. Guess I need to leave the key in. I won't show you the strobe light. Keys got me in. So if you work on the side of the road on a big truck, let people know where you're at. They can see you. It's a bright sunny day today, but you can still see the floodlight. Believe me, it shines the whole side of the truck at night. If you're looking for the ultimate working machine at a discounted price from a new one, this is your ticket right here. I have never seen a truck this loaded with equipment. Beautiful machine. Actually, with all that weight back there, it rides really well, real smooth and quiet. To see if this truck's still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. We do have competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, or if you have any other question, you can call me anytime. Toll free, 866-933-4680. Thank you for watching.